हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। An ideal student is fully conscious of his duties and responsibilities. The first and foremost duty of any student is to seek knowledge. So, an ideal student first of all pays full attention to his studies. He puts his heart and soul in his work. He is regular and disciplined. He makes a timetable and works according to it. He does his homework regularly and goes to the college well prepared. If he does not follow or understand anything, he keeps a note of it. When his teacher is free, he requests him to explain things to him. An ideal student is not a bookworm. He knows that a healthy body is necessary for a healthy mind. He regularly plays some games in the evening to keep himself physically fit. He knows that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. An ideal student knows the value of practical work. An ideal student believes in simple living and high thinking. He keeps himself and his room clean. An ideal student is noble and well behaved. He respects his parents and teachers equally. He knows that they are always encouraged to make him a scholar. An ideal student lives in accordance with the strict rules of conduct and discipline. तो दोस्तों, ये था एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।